In recent decades, China has suffered from severe environmental deterioration and pollution. While regulations such as the 1979 Environmental Protection Law are fairly strict, they are poorly enforced as they are frequently disregarded by local communities and government officials in favor of rapid economic development. Urban air pollution is a severe health issue in the country. The World Bank estimated in 2013 that 16 of the world's 20 most polluted cities are located in China. China is the world's largest carbon dioxide emitter. The country also has water problems. Roughly 298 million Chinese in rural areas do not have access to safe drinking water, and 40% of China's rivers has been polluted by industrial and agricultural waste by the late 2011. This crisis is compounded by increasingly severe water shortages, particularly in the northeast of the country. Now consider the priority concern by Chinese environmental agencies. Acid rain poses a threat to the environment, ecological systems, forests, and humans, with cost estimates varying from $1 to $32 billion. China's relentless economic growth has resulted in increasing sulfur dioxide and acid rain in much of the southern provinces. What is acid rain? Acid rain is rain that has been made acidic by certain pollutants in the air. It is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants known as acid rain. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides dissolve very easily in water and can be carried very far by the wind. Acid rain is a type of acid deposition which can appear in many forms. Wet deposition is rain, sleet, snow, or fog that has become more acidic than normal. This combination makes waters toxic to crayfish, clams, fish, and any other aquatic animals. Dry deposition is another form of acid deposition, and this is when gases and dust particles become acidic. Both wet and dry deposition can be carried by the wind, sometimes for very long distances. Acid deposition in wet and dry forms falls on buildings, cars, and trees and can make lakes acidic. Acid deposition in dry form can be inhaled by people and can cause health problems in some people. The only way to fight acid rain is by curbing the release of the pollutants that cause it. This means burning fewer fossil fuels. Today, the coal enterprise is the main contributor to China's economic miracle. Coal accounts for 76% of China's energy supply. With this acceleration, however, has also come significant environmental issues. Two of these problems include severe air pollutants, which is comprised of acid rain and global warming, and health deterioration in China's population. Air pollution is the main cause of acid rain. The development and production of the coal industry provides stability in China's economic growth. The coal resources in China have been exploited since 476 BC, and it is estimated that even with all the years of coal exploration, China has total coal deposits of 4,500 billion tons, which are as deep as 2,000 vertical meters. Eventually, China will exploit its coal resources until they are eliminated. More importantly, the concern is that with the rapid exploitation and high dependency of coal productivity, China is damaging not only the physical environment, but also creates health problems for Chinese people. Furthermore, the sulfur dioxide produced from coal burning is drifting to other countries. For example, ecological problems have been documented in Taiwan, Korea, Japan, and the Philippines. Japan has made the most attempts in working with China to prevent increased acid rain. The Japanese government has proposed acid rain abatement programs which provide cities in China 5-year low-interest loans to reduce acid rain degradation. Acid rain has been a serious environmental problem in recent times, and with development still growing in China, looks to continue to be a contemporary issue. To mitigate acid rain, the Chinese government must develop and instigate sulfur dioxide reduction policies on both national and local spatial scales, implementing further research and control to ensure targets are attained. The reduction of anthropogenic fossil fuel combustion, implementation of alternative energy sources, and increasing fuel efficiency would lessen sulfur dioxide emissions. The development of a more extensive monitoring network would aid the recording of acid rain distribution similar to networks seen in Europe and North America. National policies and regulatory schemes for mitigating sulfur dioxide could aid the reduction of acid rain.